So hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Learn with AG 2.0. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on the new content. In today's video, we're gonna explain to break down the most fundamental concept in research. What exactly is a research problem? So whether you are a student working on your first research paper, on your experimental research, or diving into a new project, or understanding what a research problem is and why it is so important is absolutely crucial. So let's start with the basics. So what is a research problem? Basically, a research problem is essentially the central questions or issues that you want to explore in your study or any research. So it is the starting point for any research projects, guiding and your investigation and shaping the entire direction of your work. Without a clear research problem, your study lacks the focus on purpose. So research is very important. So think of it like this is a research problem. Is a problem you are trying to solve, a gap in the knowledge you want to fill, or a question you want to answer through your research. So basically, what is the take of a research problem? So how do we identify a good research problem? Well, there is a few keys characteristics to look out for a good research problem. There is a good research problem should be clear and specific. Clear and specific means it's avoid jargon words or broad question, or a research problem shouldn't be focused on a precise. It should be clear and specific. And second one is researchable. It should be the something you can invest through the data experimentation or analysis. Every research problem should be the researchable. So it must be the relevant or significant. It means it could contribute to knowledge, solve a real world problem, or relate to improvement in a field. So the problem should matter in the field, contributing to your existing knowledge or addressing a real world issues. It means relevant. It must be the relevant or basis on the real world. The last one is feasible. Make sure the problem is realistic to tackle within the time and the research you have. So next, types of research problem. Here we discuss about the types of research problem. Now that we know that the research problem, let's dive into the different type of research problem you might encounter. That these can vary depending on the nature of the issues you never exploring. Generally, there are the four main types. First one is theoretical problem. The theoretical problems, these deals with the concept or understanding ideas better. And the second one is practical problem. Practical problems are those research problems that focus on resolving the real world issues. I already talked about the research problem is should be the clear, specific, and it should must be the relevancy, and it contains with the real world spaces. And so next is a descriptive problem. The descriptive problem also include that describe a situation or a trend which is does a focus on the describing characteristics or phenomena. For example, what are the common behaviors of teenagers using the social media? This is the trending issues. So it's these type of examples are the includes in the descriptive problems. And the next one is explanatory problems. Explanatory problem, these aims to investigate the new or unexplored areas of when there is a limited information available. An example could be the what factors include the remote working, the productivity in the technical industries. So each type serves a different purpose in the research, but all of them are equally important when the tracking a a question or problem, so choosing the right type of the research in the key. So next, basically clear is the overviews about related to the research problem. A research problem is the foundation of any study issued with a question or issues you want to answer, and it shaped everything in your research. Spending a time identifying a clear, meaningful, and researchable problem, it will be the make the rest of your work much easier or more impactful. So it's a research problem is nothing else. It's just an overview of your concept of the whole video. So to wrap up, a research problem in the backbone of any research project. It would drive your study and ensure you're asking the right question. Take your time to define it well, and you will have a much clearer path ahead. So I conclude this overview of the research problem in this video. So whole video concept in just in 2 seconds. What is the actual research problem and why it is so important? So next, thanks for watching. I hope this videos help you understanding what the research problem and why it's so important. If you find this useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know those in the comments. If you have any question, don't forget to subscribe or more content on research and study tips. See you in the next video.